Happy 4th of July 2023. I didn't buy any fireworks this year. This is all left over. Will not be able to light all this stuff off. Bunch of bricks. Little cakes. These are cool. Bunch of fountains. Those are some 200 grand cakes, old school. These are all pretty good. Patriot Boom. Power of Faith. Small shells. Liberty's pretty good too. 200 grand. Peter. Bunch of Roman candles. These money shots are good. Find videos on them. Just whatever, man. These little Julios, or I forget. I can't really see that. Herberts. Rockets are good. They don't whistle. Kind of like that. Bunch of stuff in here. Rockets. Little shells. Bunch of bottle rockets. Bunch of stuff in here. Fountains. These things are cool because they're waterproof. But I don't recommend throwing explosives into bodies of water unless necessary or perhaps on occasion. And all mixed bag in there. Happy, safe 4th. Some black cats. These things are good. Very high. They have a purple burst. I'm not sure if these have a purple burst, but they go high, straight.